It's Gina with WTI. Do you hate painting as much as I do, but you love the way it looks, and so you're willing to do it as long as the tools you have are efficient and get the job done right? When I had to paint the side of a warehouse and my bunny hutch, I was so glad that I had this set of paint equipment from PinStone. The first thing I love about this is that the roller frame is adjustable. It can accommodate between a 12 and 18-inch roller, and that's amazing because that means I don't have to buy multiple roller frames. The frame also has an angled head on it, and it makes application so much easier and less strenuous. This is made from aluminum, so it's nice and lightweight, which means you're not going to overtax your arms painting. This also comes with extension rods, so you can go up to 5 feet. So the wall that I was painting is about 13 feet high. I'm 5'4". So with the extension rods, I was able to reach almost to the very top of a warehouse. I did have to get on our ladder just to get the top portion, but if I'd been taller, I wouldn't have had to. The second thing I love about this kit is it comes with nylon rollers, and I found that these were so much better than using just like the regular rollers that I might pick up at a large brand store. And thirdly, this comes with a roller and paintbrush cleaning tool. I may be the world's worst and messiest painter, so I absolutely needed this tool. This kit is really a must-have for any of your painting projects. It covers so much area. It's going to make your job easier and less messy, and that's my point of view.